Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? Big up on yourself, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. TOO, and this is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well, wherever you are. Yeah, today I'm just here to catch up with you guys. It has really been a while since I had to come out live and catch up with you. So big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. I can see people already jumping on the live. Kwaku, Saki. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, Nick, big up on yourself. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining the live. I hope you're doing very well wherever you are. Yeah, so today I have a few things I want to share with you. I'm going to update you on the latest events coming to Gulu City. I'm also going to keep you updated with where you can get the best products in this city here. Yeah. Kwaku is watching me all the way from Accra, Ghana. How is Accra, Ghana today? Big up on yourself. Yeah, thank you so much for being part of my life. Now, I have some good news for the people in northern Uganda, Gulu to be precise. We are going to be having Nigeria's finest Rude Boy in Gulu City. Rude Boy will be performing at Acholi Inn Gardens on the 21st of December 2024. This is a very big event coming to our city. So if you are out there and you want to watch Rude Boy, Nigeria's Rude Boy performance, make sure that you are in Gulu City on the 21st of December 2024. Yeah, it's going to be so massive. This event is going to bring the entire Uganda to Gulu City. So I look forward to seeing you at Acholi Inn around that time. Yeah, I continue welcoming more people coming into the live. Vivian Anena, good morning. How are you doing? Vincent Ojok, all the way from Paloga, Lamour District. Moriko Miomera, big up on yourself. Yeah. And then Silva, I am okay. How about you? How are you doing? Vincent Ojok, big up on yourself. So, tickets for Rude Boy. If you want to get tickets for Rude Boy at a cheaper price, get them early. We have early bird tickets for 50,000. Then we also have that early bird tickets for 50,000 are for November. So make sure you get it as early as possible. Then early bird tickets for December are at 70,000. Make sure you also get that as soon as you can. Because at the gate, on the 21st of December 2024, you'll be paying 100,000. So make sure you get your tickets as early as you can so that you get to enjoy watching Nigeria's finest Rude Boy in Gulu City performing live. Yeah, so that is tickets early enough, actually in 21st of December 2024. Northern Uganda, stand up. Yeah, so that is that. Then I have some information for my people in Gulu City. If you've been struggling to get the best perfumes in the city, I want to bring you good news from Susie's Fragrances. Susie's Fragrances have all kinds of perfumes, from designer perfumes, niche perfumes, oil perfumes, what else? Arab perfumes, Arab scents. They have it all. And when it comes to pricing, no one beats them actually when it comes to pricing, because they sell both wholesale and retail. They are located along Alex Ojera Road in Teguana, Gulu City, at the Gulu City Mall building, shop number 3. Gulu City Mall building, shop number 3. That is where you get to find them, Susie's Fragrances, for all kinds of perfumes. They have it. They also have room diffusers. They have car scents available. By the way, their room diffusers are very good. It can keep your space, your room, your sitting room, your bedroom, wherever, your shop, smelling very nice. And it goes for only 40,000, and then there's that one for 50,000. Yeah, make sure you pass by and grab those things from them. They have shower gels, they have deodorants, they have, anything that concerns smelling good, they have it. Make sure you pass by at Susie's Fragrances, Gulu City, and check out their services. Now, I want to get to the main discussion. Very many people have been saying that Mixola has worked very hard this year, and he deserves to be awarded as the male artist of the year 2024. You who is watching me right now, what do you think about this statement? Because very many people are saying that. Do you think Mixola has worked so hard this year? Do you think Mixola deserves to be the overall artist of the year? And why? Why do you think? So that is that. Now, still along the same line, Doggy Kiss, not Doggy Fresh. But I'll also say something about Doggy Fresh because he has a new song which is highly trending. I'm going to talk about that later on. So, Doggy Kiss made a statement in a song, and he always keeps saying it in interviews, that this year he has to win the overall artist of the year, and then he also has to win the best gospel artist of the year because he worked very, very hard. If he is not cheated, then he has to win in those two categories. What do you also think about that? Now, yesterday, musician Zetiv went to his social media platform and made this statement. He said, last year, Man CJ was robbed. They cheated him. His song deserved to be he deserved to be the overall artist of the year last year with his song called Appeal, but he was cheated. He went ahead to say this year, they are not going to entertain anything of that nature. And according to him, he is saying Kamuzu, the urban nigger, deserves to take the overall artist of the year. And Easy, the lyrical, also made a statement that this time the awards have to go to the streets. So, what do you think about this? Please leave down your comments below and let us know what you think. I can see a message here from Vivian Anena. Can someone get a ticket through online because some of us are still out of the country but want to be there on that day? Online tickets, they are not selling tickets online, but if you have someone you trust at home, Vivian Anena, kay tigi ngaro mo may geno tutwal matigankany where en will ticket ma megi chubuoki yakadong inde biro no dong jimmy ni wenti atera mono alibad Yeah, let someone buy for you from here, because the reason why they only have one ticket selling point that is actually in, because they don't uh, want the tickets to be duplicated. But however, the tickets cannot be duplicated because they have been designed with, I don't know how to say, but they cannot be duplicated. The only selling point is actually in. So make sure you get someone you trust to get for you a ticket. Then Vincent Ojara Ojok is saying Migzola should move with the overall plus male artist of the year. Thank you so much for your contribution, Vincent Ojera, who is saying Migzola should move with overall artist of the year plus male artist. Then he also went ahead to say, in fact, he must go with all male awards. Migzola Goya. Then Da Silva is also saying, according to my opinion, Migzola deserves to be the overall artist of the year. Wow. So, uh, Migzola deserves to go with the overall artist of the year. Wow. I can see. Then, I have some good news also. For you who is in Gulu City and you want to hang out in a place outside the city, which is quiet and peaceful, you have your privacy, you can do whatever you want to do, uh, you can enjoy yourself the way you like. There's this place which has been opened opposite Sir Samuel Becker School along Gulu Kidgum Road. It is called Revelation Cottages. Revelation Cottages. Yeah, Revelation Cottages is located along Gulu Kidgum Road, just opposite Sir Samuel Becker School. They have a very, very nice garden where you can go and chill and enjoy your snacks. They have a restaurant, they have a bar, fully stocked with all your favorite drinks. Then they have those cottages there where you can chill. You can go and sit up and you just watch beautiful surrounding. Then they also have accommodation, very, very nice accommodation. Yeah, so make sure you go and check out that place. It's called Revelation Cottages. Yeah, they have the best services along Gulu Kidgum Road. So that is that. Otherwise, leave down a comment and let me know where you're watching me from so that I can send big shots out to you. Otherwise, Gulu City is fine today. The weather is cool. That's why you see I'm on this hoodie here. It's raining actually right now. Not so heavy though. Yeah, otherwise, I also want to take this time to thank all of you out there for supporting Into Deep Promotions, for subscribing to our channel. It really means a lot. Yeah, you can as well share our videos and always talk about us to people who don't know. So that is what I wanted to share with you. I want to thank everyone who has been with me on this live from the start up to now. I've reached a point where I have to say bye-bye. I'll catch up with you guys another time. So thank you so much. I wish you all a wonderful day wherever you are. Blessings, peace, and love.